"I'll do anything you want." Basically, this is what the Tesla robot will answer you. Imagine having a robot that could handle nearly anything you need. That's the concept behind Tesla's groundbreaking Optimus robot. From mowing the lawn to grocery shopping, this robot might be the next big thing in both personal and professional assistance. Officially revealed during Tesla's AI Day in 2021, with a prototype showcased the following year, this isn't some sci-fi fantasy. Tesla is actively developing this robotic assistant to tackle routine, time-consuming tasks. But what really can this robot do? This broad range of uses positions Optimus as a general-purpose assistant, possibly making it even more valuable than Tesla's electric vehicles, as Elon Musk has hinted. Optimus has been described as a versatile helper for various everyday tasks. Picture this, a robot that can walk the dog, clean the house, run errands, or even act as a companion. The potential is huge for both home and business use. For example, Optimus could address labor shortages in factory settings, where it might assist with repetitive or physically demanding tasks. Optimus isn't just a simple robot, it's powered by cutting-edge AI. Inside, there's a neural network that acts as its brain, along with Tesla's signature AI-driven vision system, similar to what's found in Tesla cars. How does Optimus work? With its advanced capabilities, such as lifting up to 150 pounds and walking at 5 miles per hour, it's designed to handle demanding environments. This could make it a go-to solution for industries in need of reliable and efficient assistance. These systems enable Optimus to understand and navigate its surroundings, recognizing objects and adapting to new environments over time. Engineers have equipped Optimus with motion data from real human movements, allowing it to perform tasks in natural, human-like ways. Imagine grabbing items off a shelf or handling fragile objects. Optimus can mimic these actions accurately. It also has a screen on its face for interactions and a compact, efficient design that combines metal and plastic to keep it lightweight. Optimus even features a 2.3 kilowatt battery, giving it the energy to last through hours of tasks. Now for the most important question, how much will this invention cost and when will it be available? Tesla has set an ambitious timeline for Optimus. Musk aims to start limited production by 2025 for internal use, with a possible market release to other companies by 2026. Of course, as with any new technology, there could be delays. But the possibility of a commercially available Tesla robot within just a few years is closer than ever. Elon Musk has indicated that Tesla's Optimus robots are expected to be priced between $20,000 and $30,000 currently. These robots are still under development and the final design is yet to be finished. Once they are ready for launch, the initial price is projected to begin at $20,000. But how could Optimus impact our lives? Imagine freeing up time from routine chores like household cleaning, yard work, or running errands. Optimus could make this possible, offering not only convenience but also a significant shift in how we spend our time. For families, busy professionals, or those who need extra support due to age or mobility issues, the benefits are easy to see. Optimus isn't just a convenience, it's a productivity booster, ready to help us focus more on things that matter most, like our work, hobbies, or spending time with loved ones. And since Optimus is designed to learn and adapt, it could grow to meet our unique needs, making it feel like a personalized assistant rather than a one-size-fits-all robot. The question is, could Optimus impact jobs? Of course, with any innovation that automates tasks, there's always the question of its impact on the workforce. As a general-use robot, Optimus could fill roles in industries like warehousing, manufacturing, and even healthcare, potentially reducing demand for certain types of manual labor. For example, it could help meet staffing demands in factories, carrying out physically demanding tasks efficiently and consistently. While this might shift some roles, it could also open up new opportunities, especially in robotics, AI development, and tech support. Optimus may encourage a shift towards skills that oversee and maintain this advanced technology. It brings us to a broader conversation about how society and the workforce can adapt to a world where robots assist with everyday tasks. So, will we be living with robots soon? It seems more possible than ever. Tesla's Optimus is pushing boundaries in ways we may only just be able to imagine, and its impact could reshape everything from daily tasks to entire industries. While there are still hurdles to overcome, Optimus signals a future where robots work alongside us, enhancing our lives in ways we once only dreamed about. And with Tesla's vision driving it forward, the future of Optimus, and perhaps the future of our daily lives, is only just beginning. Let us know in the comments what you think, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell to stay updated on all things tech. Thanks for watching.